Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove shorts from YouTube. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open the YouTube application. Okay, once you open YouTube, here you can see shorts. You simply need to click on three dots and click on not interested. You simply need to repeat that process until all the shorts will be gone. So as you can see that I'm doing, you simply need to repeat like this and then you need to refresh. So here you can see that now shorts are gone. As you can see, there are no shorts here. So this is a process by which you can remove shorts from YouTube application. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.